everyone, so we're going to unbox an air fryer that we just bought this morning. So this is a Nutricook by Nutribullet. It's just a simple air fryer, guys, but as what it's being stated here, it's a rapid air fryer. It's quicker, it's crispier, it's healthier. Okay, so without further ado, guys, let's start unboxing. Okay. And over here is yung over top of it. So ito yung manual niya. Okay, the user guide. Okay, set aside natin. Yung style mo tayo. So, ito siya. Yung style ko na cover over here. And see, this is the one now. Thank you. So, cover lang siya with protective cover. Ready? 1, 2. Tadaan! Whoa! So, ito yung sa labas niya, guys. And actually, the guy in explain taught us how to. Ang maganda kasi dito is, okay, let's remove this one. So, natin natin ito. Okay. So, may indications na siya. Like, if we will fry some fries, so naka-indicate na how many degrees and how many minutes. 200 degrees Celsius, 22 minutes. Okay. Shrimp, roast, chicken, fish, steak, cheese melt, pizza, preheat. So, yun ang kagandahan niya. And how to open, he said, press over here. Wala bang, nakatape pa pala dito on the other side. Ooh! Remove din natin. Sorry about that. Okay? Yun. Again, press and like that. Boil up. So, ito yung sa loob niya, guys. Okay. And again, pagtanggal daw nito is you open here, you push, and then you press here, then angat. Amazing. So, I think pwede dito siya. So, kaya pwedeng lagyan ng foil. Here or here.
I think this is the place where they will strain the oil. So if we don't want to strain the oil, then
yeah,
here. Depends on what you will cook.
Yeah.
Because then it will stain here.
Okay. So sabi nung guy na assign here, kapag linis niya, is just you will tissue. Or ano ba, tela or how.
Hindi man sila marunong maglinis.
Yeah, depende na lang.
Yan lang naman ang magkakatumi dyan, yung tilamsik na mantika. And what's on top?
On top is,
Okay, so close.
Pushing back, again. Dapat, hirap kasi naka. Is it right?
Yeah, open mo muna. Yan. Then, put inside.
Yeah, kalat na siya. Now over here, before you get started, read caution below and at the back. How to touch yung ito na part. Do not try to open top. This is not a lid. Okay, wala lang daw to. Do not fill with oil. This is not a deep fryer. Okay? And do not press button while moving or shaking basket. Yeah, tulad ng ginawa ko kanina. So, ito. Caution tayo dito, guys. Okay, again, I'll show you. Like here. kasi when you want to get your food paangat, dapat itong nasa below, like nakalagay siya over a surface, hindi yung nakaganito. Kasi pag once you push it, mahuhulog siya kung wala siya sa surface. So, better na nasa surface siya. So, not advisable over the top dahil masisira. Okay? Then, ano pa bang nakalagay dyan? Make sure to pull out and separate the baskets on a flat surface. And yan yung sinasabi ko bago lang. And remove all plastic before plugging in. Yan, like yung na-remove ko from the inside.
And of course, find the delicious recipes online at nutricookwworld.com and follow them on Facebook and Instagram at nutricookwworld. What about your YouTube channel?
Ang kwento nito guys is we saw the sale na air fryer. Ang brand niya is na-mention na natin ng problem. Wansa. It's cheaper, like less 2 kg. But the guy over there, the guy in Excite, he suggested na through
The salesman.
the salesman, quality-wise, and siguro na rin with the aesthetic, I think. Ito yung sinuggest na pipiliin. Yeah, and chinek namin, kinompare ko, actually, yung quality ng mga materials na ginamit. Actually, concern ako, made in what ba ito? Made in, okay, you can see here. Okay, as usual, as you can see, guys. Made in Charan! China. Parang iPhone lang, assembled in China. Okay, so anong gusto mong iluluto natin? I-include na natin sa video.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, let's try this one. Pause. Okay, so we're starting to try na assemble na namin. Yeah. Hindi mo i-combine. It's the same?
Pwede ba? Same time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, suggested here 20 minutes. And then we'll set it 200 degrees. And if needed na mas ipan mo yung mga alam sa mga okay na. Okay, anyway. Okay, so ito na muna yung trial.
Ang gawin natin. Hindi mo marunong.
Push na. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, and then since it's written here, guys, that itong fries is 200 degrees Celsius with an air fry time of 22 minutes, and then by 6 minutes we will check, and the action suggested here is to shake and brush or spray all if it needed. Kung hindi na siguro kayo mag-oil, guys, so nakaset here is 190. Okay,
Check mo kayo yung price.
We'll increase it to ba't ganun? Yan
Hindi
tayo.
pwedeng click na lang yung French fries. Automatic na nakaset na siya.
Which one? Here? Yan. What is P? The minutes?
Yeah,
3
French
minutes
fries.
lang. That's why, French fries. Pero 3 minutes lang siya.
Manual yun, M. $22 or 20? 22.
Next, bucket shrimp ang naga-blink. Okay, so, ano?
Try mo yung P.
No.
Wala. Huwag mo ka dami. Start na siya. Shrimp. 160 yan. Add mo yung 160.
I think
Yan, 200. Air fryer yan. Yung pag nalabas yung power. Hindi mo na yung stop. Yeah. Yeah, okay. 222 minutes.
Ba't naka-indicate siya ng shrimp? Funny.
A few inches later.
After running for about like after 6 minutes, check natin siya, okay?
Hindi yun, stop pause.
Oh, sure. So, let's check. Let's not have this part. Ayan, guys. Look sa ating improvement. Kailangan mag-flip super.
Sunog siya eh.
So, change lang natin yung mga positioning. And siguro ito, guys, nakita nyo, wala masyadong oil. I mean, yung oil is, yun na yung niluluto niya na lang by himself. By itself. Okay. Kasi nga, the heat coming is from nasa taas. So, kailangan natin yan. Okay? So, reshoot natin. Okay, then 15 minutes more.
Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you guys.